It has been a long time for all of us to come together. And now we're here. This is the British Parliament. This is the House of Commons and House of the Lords, the mother of parliaments. And this is where democracy begins. And this is where it most probably will never ever end. We are now bringing this letter because the problem we have in Igbo land now and the southeast and other regions in Nigeria, we can classify that easily as genocide. People are being killed on a daily basis. The humiliation that the Igbos and the Southeasterners are going through in Nigeria is unbelievable. Young boys and young girls are marshaled out of their houses by fully armed soldiers. They go into their houses, they bring them out, and they disappear without any trace. And nobody asks any questions. It should stop. It must not be allowed to continue in this current century that we live in. We are appealing to the members of the House of Commons, and we are appealing to the members of the House of Lords, and we are appealing to the government of the United Kingdom of Great Britain. So please, our knees are on the floor on behalf of our brothers and sisters who are being killed on a daily basis. So please use your great offices to speak to the power that be in Nigeria, to the president of Nigeria and his government, to stop the killing of the Igbos, to stop the humiliation of the Igbos on a daily basis. You imagine that when people are driving on a public bus, they're stopped on police and army checkpoints. Every single passenger on a bus steps out with their hands held high, and then they cross the checkpoint. Only the driver of the bus will drive past the checkpoint. And you do that on a daily basis. Our economies in the southeast, south, and other regions in Nigeria are suffering. We cannot go to our farms because when we go to our farms, the herdsmen are there killing and maiming our people. We cannot go and do our business because on the road we have the army straddling and frustrating our people on a daily basis. This must stop. We plead with the government of the United Kingdom to please, in the name of our Lord, to stop what is happening in Nigeria. The Christians are suffering. The Christians are being killed all the way from Kaduna State, all the way from Kaduna to the Middle Belt, all the way to the southeast region of Nigeria. We need all that to stop. So this letter, we are going to hand this over to the British Parliament, London, United Kingdom, SW1. And we are handing this formally to them. And in here, we articulated exactly what is happening in Nigeria with evidence. And we'll be happy for them to please read it and take the needful actions. Thank you. Thank you. And God bless United Kingdom. And God bless Nigeria.